Hi guys, welcome to WebSensePro. Welcome to another video. So this video is a little different. Normally I create video where I teach you how to code in Liquid, how to create custom section in Shopify store, how to create stuff in WordPress and related to web design, a little technical side of things. But I thought, why not reviewing some of the biggest brands present out there and do some learning with you guys, right? So in this video, I'm going to learn from Taylor Stitch. So that is an American brand which is making millions of dollars in revenue. And we will be going through the Shopify store which they have built for their brand and learning from them that what are they doing differently, which we can learn from them and try to boost sales of stores. So most of my audience in my YouTube channel is small merchants, and they are always looking to understand more and get more ideas to boost their sales, to improve and enhance functionality of their store, and to get some more ideas. So I thought create this separate playlist where we will be learning from these big brands about what they are doing and what you guys can incorporate on your store to get a little bit of increase in the revenue from your sales, right? So let's review the website which we have, the store which we have, which is Taylor Stitch. That's again an American brand making millions of dollars selling these cotton products. They have shirts, bottoms, sweaters, outwear, accessories. And I will be going through this store and seeing if they're doing something different or what other functionalities which they are using to attract more sales on their store. So if you want to increase your learning and support me on creating more of these videos like this, let me know in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe this channel if you want to keep learning and watch more videos like this. So without further ado, let's get into the screen and try to break up what they are doing to understand more of what we can learn. So first of all, let's check out the color scheme of the store which they are using. And let's go back here. Okay, so color scheme is like mostly black and white, a little bit of touch of brown on some of the areas, but mostly black and white, right? So for hover color, they have used a light brown color, but mostly black and white color scheme. And so it's pretty sleek and everything is readable. Its color contrast is completely black and white. So all of the parts which they are trying to highlight is on a little bit different colors. Let's take a look at this one. 20% off your purchase. So everything is black and white, but when you take a look at when you first look at the website, first you land on the website, you see there's a blue color which is on the top, which is looking like completely different, and it's giving you that it's gonna give you 20% discount of your first purchase. So it's a really nice trick. What you can learn from here is that they have used the same color scheme all over the website, but if they want to highlight something, they have used a completely different color, right? So blue isn't on their palette. Blue is not a color palette, but for highlighting the offer which they're giving 20% off your first purchase, they have used this blue color. Now let's take a look at the product page to see what they are doing differently, or if they are doing anything differently. Currently homepage is like pretty normal, nothing fancy. So they have collection, and that's a video, and yeah, so here are some of the blogs, and following are some of the testimonials. Yep, nothing fancy. Let's check out the color scheme of the product page if there is anything unique on that. So I'm just going to open this product. Again, so a really important thing to note here is like everything is black and white, right? And a little bit of light brown, but the add to cart is blue color and it's very visible and prominent, which is like you don't have to find anything here. Everything is here, and you will just go to add to cart and click on that button, right? All of the information related to product is there, but you see it's in a small font and it's not highlighted, right? Most highlighted part on the product page is that add to cart button and the images. So these are the two most highlighted parts on the product page, which is really a good idea to highlight some of the most key thing which actually user is looking for, which actually buyer is looking for, right? Now let's go to add to cart. Again, this is the color part, so we are just going through all of the color things. Yep, that's pretty normal and standard stuff. Gonna click on continue shopping, and now let's go to checkout. Okay, so the checkout is also default Shopify checkout page, nothing fancy, all the normal default colors. They have some extra blocks which you can also add. There's a free app of Shopify. I've also created a video for that which is called Blocks, the app name, and you can create these extra blocks on the checkout page. That's also without any coding. Yeah. Okay, so they have this additional top it off which is for upsell. Yeah, so the color wise it's pretty standard, nothing fancy. Now let's review one of the most important part of the store, which is important for every store, right? Which is the mobile version. Now let's review the mobile version and see if they have done anything different or anything special to improve the layout, because about 60 to 70% of the traffic you will be getting is from mobile devices. So let's review the mobile version of Tailor Stitch. Okay, so that's the standard iPhone 14 layout dimensions. And let's open up the desktop version side by side, see if they have anything differently on their mobile version. Okay, so that's how the slider looks in the desktop version. But in the mobile version, you can see that you can clearly see both of the pictures. So mobile responsive is one of the most important factor which you should be taking care of on all of the part of your store. Yeah, pretty standard mobile layout. Doesn't have anything special on mobile, but everything is accurately aligned, which is really important whenever you build your store. Make sure to review mobile on every single page of your store, no matter it's a home page, it's a collection page, or it's a product page. So that's how the collection page looks like in the mobile version. Pictures are still loading. There's one thing which I'm noticing in the collection page is that they have a lot of products showing up at once, which makes it a little slow to load. As you can see that images are still loading. What I would suggest you guys is to have fewer products showing up and add in pagination, so you have like multiple pages in each collection. But whenever the page loads, each page should not have more than 8 to 10 products. It will make it load faster and it will also look good. In this case, Tailor Stitch have like all of the products showing up at once, which is looking good, but it's not friendly when you say about the speed. When you talk about the speed, it's a little slow to load, right? So I suggest you guys do that. Whenever you're creating your collection page, make sure to have a pagination, and each page should have no more than like 10-12 products. That's, I think, more than enough to display in one single collection page. So nice slider. Product images are on top of the product page, and here we have our breadcrumbs, title, pricing, swatches. Yeah, pretty standard stuff all over the mobile version, but not even a single thing is misaligned or improperly aligned on the mobile version, which is really important. So make sure to have in your mind that it's really important to review all of your mobile version of the store, which makes it really important because 60 to 70% of the traffic you'll be getting is from mobile version. Guys, before proceeding further, if you are new to your e-commerce journey and you're creating a Shopify store, you can sign up for your Shopify store for just $1 a month. Link in the description. If you sign up through that link only, then you'll be able to have your own store for just $1 a month. Limited time offer. Shopify is going to completely change this offer really soon, so avail this opportunity while you can. Also, in order to help you getting more sale, we have created an app called Big Bulk Discount, which will help you add volume discount, bulk discount feature to your store, which will get you more sales. Okay, now back to the review. So now the most interesting part, or like most favorite part of my noticing that the mega menu is so cool. So they have 4-column mega menu on their store, which looks awesome on their store. By the way, I have also created a video where you can learn how to add mega menu using a free theme. If you're using a free theme and you don't have enough budget to buy an app to create a mega menu, you can create it completely free of cost using the tutorial. The link will be in the description, so you can check it out. By the way, this mega menu adds up a lot of value to the layout, because other than the mega menu, all the other sections and the parts which I have seen are pretty standard, as opposed to many other stores out there with a really cool animation and all of different kind of stuff. But this tailor stitch store is very simple and very minimalistic. I would say that's an accurate term, minimalistic. And other than the mega menu part, which is really cool. So the mega menu is really making it look beautiful, right? So you guys can also add a mega menu like this to add more attraction to your store. And other than that, I think we have covered enough layout of the store to review the functionality. And now the final part is the promotion aspect, where you would add offers, discount, shipping discount. I couldn't find any shipping discount or any other discount other than this 20% off your first purchase, which is when you click, there is a pop-up showing up. And when you sign up or when you subscribe to the newsletter, which they are offering, they'll send you the coupon code for 20% off. That's the only offer they have. Other than that, I couldn't see any offer except this note of the common club. So this is like a royalty feature, which is something where you will be getting some points when you buy new products from this store, and you can use this points to then later on buying more stuff to get more sales, right? So that's a really common way of doing that. And you can also have this feature by adding this royalty point. There are multiple apps available which you can use to get this royalty points feature on your store, but I don't think it's that much important. The mobile part and the other layout aspects which we have covered in this video are more important than this common club feature. Yes, this will give you an added advantage, so customer will be attracted more when they get some credits and the points. They'll be adjusting that to the next sale. So that's one way to get some boost of sales, but you can avoid this one as it's gonna cost you an app subscription, and it's more suitable when you are already getting sales, when you already have the regular customers and regular buyers. To start, you can start your store without this feature. It's not something which you should definitely have, right? And they also have this affiliates, where they are offering some affiliates discount, and no detail mentioned here for the affiliate. They're just asking you to email and dig out some more details about the affiliate program, right? So that's it for the video, guys. In this video, I have covered the layout aspect of it. So to summarize, we have covered the important UI aspects, the coloring feature. So the color contrast which they have, they are mostly using black and white, but for highlighting some of the part, they're using some different colors. So that's one tip. And the mobile layout, which is also very important, that mobile layout should be properly aligned, and the mega menu feature. So there are some key features which we learned in this video. And if you want me to review more brands and go through the Shopify store, let me know in the comments below which brands you want me to go through. And if you like this type of video and you want me to create more video, let me know in the comments below. Until next video, have a great day.